cycle 1.
Start cycle 1, yes.
Okay.
Now we have to check if the crosses are in the same position as the previous job.
Okay. Here we touch. Oh, touch. 把这个搞到第一步去，先提前把它降下去。
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, take the plate.
Okay. Yes.
编好之后，这个时候就把它降下去。
对。Okay.
Okay, look for the crosses.
佢自己對嗎？唔係啊，自己對啊。唔係啊，你放上去揾得差唔多嘅先。但呢個點樣喐啊？Move the camera we use here the menu.
No. You can stay into the automatic. Into the automatic, no problem. You can go to the joystick. Joystick, yes.
Joystick 用呢個 joystick.
Yeah, and now camera 2. You have on the right. You have the camera 2. You can move the camera 2 to the left. Okay.
I try. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
But not this one. More. Okay.
Great, perfect. Well, now you move a little bit the right cross on the top.
呢個移上少少。
Okay, please move the plate a little. Okay, perfect, very good. Now you can go to the PLC. Okay. Now you can go to start marks alignment.
Okay, star marks, cycle marks, alignment. Oh. Okay.
Okay, now you have to lift up the mandrel manually a little bit to stick the plate.
Okay, 動咗啦。
Okay, now stick it. Okay, and now yes, confirm marks aligned.
Okay. Okay. Kỹ năng喐少少啊。佢咁樣知點行先？睇下個接口齊唔齊？呢度啊，係啊。你4:1，佢4:2，中咗4:2啊，唔啱。得。OK。